Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see rule 8. So what is rule 8? In the rule 8, constructors are not inherited but are executed because of super call. So here we cannot inherit the constructor but we can execute it by using super call method. So we will see what is super call method. Constructors are used of initialization of newly created object. So we have discussed that when we are creating an object, that time constructor is called. So if constructor were getting inherited, then it could lead to incomplete or inappropriate initialization. So to maintain clarity and control, constructors are not inherited. As when we are creating an object, that time constructor is called. So if we are inherit it, then it can lead to incomplete or inappropriate initialization. So to maintain clarity and control, constructor is not inherited. Okay. So so now we will see all the rules of inheritance. Rules of inheritance. Single inheritance. A class inherits from one superclass. Superclass means parent class. One parent has one child only. It is single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Rule 2. A class inherits from a superclass. Superclass means parent class, and another class can inherit from that subclass, forming a chain. For example, there is one parent having a one child, and that child become a parent, and that parent has one child, like forming a chain. Demo 1 is a parent, then demo 2 extends demo 1, then demo 2 become parent, so demo 3 extend demo 2. Hierarchical inheritance. Multiple classes inherit from a single superclass. One class can have more than one child. One parent can have more than one child is called hierarchical inheritance. Cyclic inheritance, not allowed in Java, where a class tries to inherit from itself directly or indirectly, means a parent is giving birth to itself. It is cyclic inheritance. So it can't be possible. So cyclic inheritance is not permitted in Java. Hybrid inheritance, a combination of multiple inheritance forms which Java handles using interface, means this hybrid inheritance can be handled by interface but it is not in inheritance. Multiple inheritance not allowed. Multiple inheritance is not allowed because it form a diamond shape problem. A class cannot inherit from more than one class directly in Java, like demo 1, demo 2. The example is there. Demo 1 is a parent and demo 2 is also a parent. Now we are taking a child demo 3 and extending from both demo 1, demo 2. So it is not possible. One child cannot have two parents. Private member not inherited. Private member of a class cannot be inherited by a subclass, means child class. Private member cannot be inherited because we are providing security. If it is able to access the parent class, then there is no security. So that's why private member are not inherited. Constructor not inherited. Constructor are not inherited because they are specific to the class in which they are created. The different name of parent class is superclass and base class and ancestor class. The different name of child class is subclass and derived class. Exactly. We have discussed all these. So these are the definitions you can see from here. Okay. So that's all. In the next class, we will see about super call method that we see here. Super call. So we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you.